Hey everyone, John Ross here from testprepinsight.com, and today I'm going to be directly comparing the CPA review courses from Wiley and Gleim. Now, these are two of the most popular prep options on the market in the same general price range, so because of that, a lot of folks have a hard time deciding between the two. But luckily for you, I am a CPA, and I've personally purchased and tested out both of these courses. I've closely evaluated all the different study materials, practice tests, prep books, and more, so I think if you keep an open mind, this video should give you everything you need to know to make an educated purchase decision. Now, if you're ready, let's get to it. Okay, welcome back. So a quick outline for this video. I'm gonna start by comparing the major features of both courses head to head, then circle back for a quick recap summary before finishing with the final verdict on which course I would personally choose for my prep. And if at any point you feel like you need some more information, there's a couple easy options for you. First, I'll have links down in the description below over to each company's website where you can check out these two courses for yourself. And I'll also have a link over to our website where we have full detailed written reviews on each course. Or you can always just Google Test Prep Insight, Gleim vs. Wiley CPA. That's a great way to get there too. Okay, let's start by reviewing the course options and pricing for both of these companies. And as far as which course is more affordable, Gleim gets the win here. They offer two different CPA packages, their traditional review system and the premium review system. Their traditional package is priced right around $1,600, but it doesn't include video lessons and instead focuses on practice material. So this package should really only be for those students that don't need full-scale instructional material. And then there's the premium review system, which costs right around $2,000. This prep package includes everything Gleim has to offer, including 450 plus video lessons, practice problems, simulations, hard copy and digital textbooks, and unlimited access. Then moving on over to Wiley, they've got three different course options to choose from. This is their Essentials, their Pro, and their Platinum courses. The Essentials course costs around $1,800 and offers only the bare necessities, meaning digital textbooks and practice problems. That's it. Next is the Pro course, which costs around $2,200. This package adds in video-based lectures, live class sessions, and hard copy prep books. And finally, there's the Platinum course, which costs around $2,500 and adds in Wiley's all-important CPA 11th hour final review course. So taking a step back here, the Gleim traditional course and Wiley's Essentials course are essentially on the same playing field in terms of offerings, but Gleim is a couple $100 cheaper. Same story for the Gleim Premium course. The closest comp from Wiley is their Pro course, but once again, Gleim is a couple $100 cheaper. So you probably get it by this point. If you're on a tight budget and you're looking to save money, go with Gleim. And speaking of money, I should probably mention that both of these companies routinely run special promotions and sales on all their different course options. In fact, Gleim frequently runs discounts on their products all the way up to 30%, so make sure to check out the description below. I'll do my best to round up any coupons or codes that might be floating around out there and update that text below the video screen to help save you some cash. Okay, so next we need to compare the instructional component of both companies. So starting with Gleim first. They break down their material within each section of the exam into 20 or so logical groupings. You start each study unit by reading a passage from one of Gleim's legendary textbooks. I'll compare prep books in more detail here in the next section. But following each text assignment, Gleim delivers a bite-sized video lesson that covers the same material. These videos average roughly 20 or so minutes in length and generally start with a mini review before proceeding into a quick demonstration with 2 or 3 example problems. The mini reviews are super helpful. Your on-screen instructor covers just the most important details and adds a visual element with bullet point lists and digital effects. And while these videos don't have quite the production value of Wiley's lessons, I think the Gleim video lessons are slightly more engaging and better executed. And one other feature I'd like to mention about Gleim before moving on to Wiley revolves around their Smart Adapt technology. Essentially, before you kick off those study units that I just mentioned a minute ago, you start with a diagnostic assessment, or in other words, a quiz of about 25 questions. This quiz sets your baseline knowledge on the topic and provides Gleim's Smart Adapt technology with the data it needs to customize your study plan for that unit. The Smart Adapt software then analyzes your performance on the quiz and allocates work to optimize your study time. It also updates in real time as you work through the unit to continually maximize your learning gains. It's a super nifty feature, though it does operate in the background and you never really see it. Okay, enough about Gleim. Let's talk about Wiley. And like I mentioned earlier, their on-demand video lessons have high production value. These lessons feature an on-screen instructor in front of a digital whiteboard, and as they speak, text and graphics appear around them. And these bullet point lists and quick blurbs that pop up are punctuated with bold, neon colors and underlining, which make for a very engaging and effective means of communication. However, these videos lack vigor in my opinion. The instructors are a little dry and boring, which make the video lessons on the whole somewhat tedious. But with that said, Wiley does offer live classes as well, which is a benefit that Gleim does not. The Wiley live classes take place once or twice per week via webcast, and they do provide some helpful material. So bottom line here, I think this category is ultimately a tie between the two. Wiley gets the win for live online classes since, well, Gleim doesn't offer that, but when it comes to the pre-recorded video lessons and smart adaptive technology, I have to give the win to Gleim. Alright, so next up, let's compare those prep books I mentioned a couple minutes ago. And this is another category where Gleim ultimately wins out. My favorite aspect of the Gleim books is that they're written like an outline. Rather than some lengthy treatise with dense passages, the Gleim books contain very short, easy-to-read sections. They're broken down like an outline, containing sufficient detail, hitting the high notes, yet still keeping it concise. In other words, they're both comprehensive and succinct. It's a delicate balance to master, and Gleim does it really well. With that said, the Wiley books are solid also. They provide a 4-volume set, with each volume covering a section of the exam. And I do think they are a valuable resource. But when push comes to shove, I just prefer the format and structure of the Gleim books overall. Okay, so the last major category to compare here is the practice material from both companies. And this one is a dead tie. In terms of quantity, Wiley provides more multiple choice practice questions, while Gleim provides more task-based simulations. And both prep providers also allow students to generate as many practice exams as they wish from their test bank of questions. And the nice thing is that the testing interfaces from both Gleim and Wiley mirror the actual CPA exam, so you get a feel for the real thing. So all in all, it's just tough to declare a winner here. I guess I'd say if you want more multiple choice questions, go with Wiley, but if you want more task-based simulations, which make up roughly 50% of the CPA exam, then go with Gleim. Alright, let's start wrapping this comparison up. And I should probably mention, since you're studying for the CPA exam, every single month we give away a free prep course to one of our subscribers to help them prep. If you want to be eligible to win a free prep course, there's just 3 simple things you need to do. I'll toss those up on the screen right here, and I'll also have all the detail down below in the description. It's super simple. It'll take you less than 10 seconds, and you have a chance to win a free prep course, which could save you some serious cash. Okay, I think it makes sense to take a step back and look at the pros and cons of these courses side by side so you can make a final decision. For Gleim, the biggest pros in comparison to Wiley are number 1, their courses are more affordable, especially if you can catch Gleim on discount. Check the description for promo codes. Number 2, I like the Gleim video lessons a little bit more than Wiley's. They're just slightly more engaging and better executed. Number 3, I like the outline style format of the Gleim prep books. Number 4, Gleim offers more task-based simulations. And number 5, I haven't mentioned this yet, but Gleim offers a money-back guarantee with their premium course, while Wiley does not. Okay, for Wiley compared to Gleim, biggest pros. Number 1, the fact that they offer live classes. If you're the type of person who needs the accountability of a live class, this could be a big decision point. And number 2, Wiley offers more multiple choice questions to practice on. So there you have it. While I do like the fact that Wiley offers live classes, I ultimately have to give the edge to Gleim in this comparison. Not only do I like their price points, Gleim is one of the most affordable prep options in the entire industry, but I also just think they offer the more complete CPA prep package from top to bottom. Between their video lessons, adaptive technology, prep books, task-based simulations, and money-back guarantee, it's just a lot of bang for your buck. I know if I could rewind the clock to a few years ago when I was in your shoes studying for the CPA exam, I would go with Gleim. I just think they give you the best shot at passing the CPA exam on your first attempt. And that's all I have for you today. I hope this video comparison has been helpful. If you learned a little something, make sure to return the favor by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and dropping us a comment below. That'd be appreciated. And if you want to learn more about the CPA exam, or see those full detailed written reviews that I mentioned at the top of this video, again, jump over to our website, testprepinsight.com, where we have a ton of great content about all things CPA. As always, best of luck, and we'll see you in the next one.